This video will guide you through how to perform the full inchworm sequence. We'll begin with the inchworm walkout to a plank. Hinge at the hips, keeping your back as straight as possible, and walk your hands into a plank position. Here, we'll plank strong for a 6-second count, focusing on a tight core and squeezed glutes. At the top of each inchworm, we'll bring our hands overhead for a Y stretch before walking out into the next one. We'll repeat this sequence for one more rep before moving on to the next one. Hold for 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Pike the hips and then walk your hands back, performing another overhead Y stretch. Next, we'll move into our walkouts with hip openers. Walk into your tall plank position and perform one hip opener on each side, stepping your foot near your hands to open the hips. Hold for about a second on each one before walking back and transitioning into your next overhead Y stretch. We'll repeat this sequence for one more rep before moving on to the next one. Our last section will be inchworms into T-planks. We'll hinge at the hips, walking out into our next plank, and perform one T-plank on each side. Be sure that in the T-plank position, your chest, hips, and all 10 toes are aligned facing the same direction. We'll repeat this sequence for one more rep, and we're done. Consistency is key to maximize the benefits of exercise. Proper form and intentionality will keep your movement strong. Thank you for joining me today, and I look forward to guiding you through the next one.